What's up, guys? What's going on? Just got my exhaust done. Thought I'd give you a clip. Just show you some of the shit I got done. Fuck, it's fucking muddy. Oh well. Alright. So, I don't know if you can see, I got a new flex pipe. 2.5 flex pipe. Shit's awesome. Needed a new one. Shit was like fucking broken. I got 2.5 inch piping from the cap back. All the piping and shit goes all the way back. You know, bent and everything. Everything's fucking looking good, clean shit. You know how I do. I'm still rocking that Greddy muffler. You know, shit looks nice and clean. I'm gonna give you an exhaust clip. Hold on. Alright, so that's my exhaust. Let me know what you guys think. Next, gonna be doing the audio, fixing up these fucking subs, getting them wired correctly and shit. And that's about it, man. Let me know what you guys think.